From the makers of Aapka Surur and Tera Surur, upcoming Hamara Surur, and its sequel, Oor. She took half of it in the divorce. Lot our Sur, please.
You may have watched movies with award-winning music. Now get ready to watch a music album pretending to be a movie.
फिल्म के पहले 5 मिनट में ही लॉर्ड हिमेश आपके कानों को पवित्र कर देते हैं। बॉन्ड भी इन्हीं से सीख के आए हैं। The movie starts in Dublin, where Tara, the love interest, immediately gets arrested for smuggling Coca-Cola का secret ingredient.
Introducing Raghu and his love for Chhena Poda, Kokam Sharbat and murder.
वाह क्या एडिटिंग कर रहा है।
बिल्कुल सावधान इंडिया लगता है.
Second song I realized was, then he has the driest, most uninterested with a
Random white woman! Yeah! After he's done cheating on his fiancée, he goes off and A. does paschatap, B. hides it, C. tells her, D. does something far worse. He tells her.
और मुझसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई.
Tara decides that she's going to go to Ireland, and her mother?
रघु जैसा इंसान मिलना आसान नहीं है. He has a heart of gold.
Seems for Lord Himesh.
Who wouldn't? Arijit? तू इधर?
It doesn't even sound like Himesh, man. Arijit Singh is so much better. I mean, clearly, Lord Himesh is superior. Lord Himesh and a random lawyer try to bail Tara out, and the lawyer goes to meet Tara.
Tara had decided to trust some random guy named
Anirudh Brahmin. Anirudh Brahmin. Anirudh Brahmin. Anirudh Brahmin.
अनिरुद्ध ब्राह्मण. अनिरुद्ध ब्राह्मण.
She also brings along some gifts from his dadi.
भारी आवाज थी उनकी.
मैडम प्लीज, आपके कंपैरिजन में तो सबकी वॉइस भारी लगती है.
I don't want to hear anything further.
They start searching for this taskar.
Then there is this Sarojini Market ka sniper.
He's chased down into a bus full of Indian people who take turns getting slaughtered by Lord Himesh.
Vina Karan they take their clothes off. Try and distinguish his acting from this earlier sex scene and this fight scene.
He kills every single guy in self-defense. And with no leads, Tara is put in jail for 7 years.
7 years rigorous imprisonment, I say.
Another song?
HR discusses the situation with his lawyer. Wait, is that a shooting range? Have these filmmakers ever seen or heard a real gun? You can't have a random conversation at a range without it being super loud. This looks like a restaurant with those COVID partitions in it. Oh my god.
Then there is this random racist dude who says,
Indians can't shoot properly. They're the best and easiest target. Ask any of the neighboring countries.
also, none of the Irish people have Irish accents in the film. They either have British accents or thick Indian accents.
It is real. No automatic, no theory, no catalog. Bas killing the dushman to the center point. Brand name Desi Tamancha. Did you understand? No? No problem. Translation denied.
He finds Santino, a famous jailbreaker who is currently voluntarily living in prison. And the Indian ambassador of all people uses a bribed guard to help Himesh meet this guy.
I don't know why this film has so many good actors as side characters, and then we have to watch these two mouth breathers for the entirety of the film.
Lord Himesh gets fake passports in a ruin that looks less like Dublin and more like Alibag. He is again attacked by random Indian people. We are back at the random police investigation where they discover some random guy named Raman Furia who got into the same random plane as Tara.
Who identifies the Bookwali grandma as Nafisa Beg.
Raghav drops his tragic backstory. So heartbreaking. He was chaiwala for a don named Aurangzeb. His mom got sick, so he takes Supari for Aurangzeb's murder from Anthony.
Tara cuts herself in prison with something and gets transferred to the hospital. The police find the map that he put his escape plans on, but plot twist, the map was fake.
Barely.
I'm not sure what his plan was if the police just didn't find his hidden map.
After the most leisurely car chase ever, he does huttutu with the last police car and shoots out its tires.
Turns out, Raghav was an assassin working for this policeman Afzal Khan, who hates human rights activists.
ह्यूमन राइट्स वाले खड़े हो जाएंगे, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कई चीजें लिखी जाएंगी.
Have you guys considered that human rights might be good?
The shootout at the beginning was ordered by the police on Wahim Ansari. There was another guy called Farooq Ansari who was supposed to meet with this lady later. That is the reason why Raghav had to have so he could plant a bomb on her phone, and then he just blows up both of them.
So why did you tell Tara that you cheated on her? इतनी नौटंकी. अगर ब्रेकअप करना है तो करो ना. बेचारी लड़की को जेल जाना पड़ा यार. Waste story short, she is okay with marrying him now because who can resist Lord Himesh?
They find the location of Anirudh Brahman. Turns out he was Haider, one of the bandmates from Tara's band. She has a band, by the way. He was a son of Aurangzeb.
He didn't want to kill Raghav but torture him instead, so he framed Tara. Please ignore the snipers and the henchmen who had tried to kill HR already. यहाँ पे म्यूजिशियन टाइप्स को खाने को नहीं मिलता, इसके पास एक छोटे देश का आर्मी पड़ा है.
Haider got the pharmacist Raman Furia to put narcotics in her bag. I'm not sure if even pharmacists are allowed to take narcotics in the plain bag. मेरे को तो बॉटल का पानी भी खाली करना पड़ता है.
So हिमेश अपना सारा लॉजिक इस्तेमाल करते हुए pulls out Russian roulette.
Lord Himesh does some dialogue bazi and then kills him.
आयरलैंड का जस्टिस सिस्टम, जेल, हॉस्पिटल, इंडियन एम्बेसडर का करियर, तारा के अरमान, सब कुछ जाए भाड़ में.
और भाड़ में गया तू.
Nothing matters because Lord Himesh.
Please like, share and subscribe if you want Lord Himesh to click your bell icon.